Hello and welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've been trying to factory reset your iPhone but are stuck because the device is asking for an Apple ID password you no longer remember, you still have options. While the built-in iPhone reset feature available on the lock screen is the quickest method, it requires you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out and complete the reset. If you don't have access to that password, this video will show you alternative solutions. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to factory reset your iPhone without needing the Apple ID password. The first method is the official iPhone restore process using iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. To begin, place your iPhone into recovery mode. On most newer iPhone models, this involves quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the side button until the recovery screen appears. Once your iPhone is connected to your computer, iTunes or Finder will detect the device and provide a restore option that downloads the latest iOS firmware and erases the device. However, there is one important thing to note. If Find My iPhone was already enabled or the process could not be completed, don't worry. This is where the second method comes in. PassFab iPhone Unlock provides an alternative solution by allowing you to remove the Apple ID from the device. To get started, download and install the software on your computer, launch the program, select the Remove Apple ID option, and connect your iPhone. Once the device is detected, download the latest firmware package and click Start to Remove after the download is complete. Before proceeding, ensure that your device has a 6-digit screen passcode enabled and that two-factor authentication is turned on. After the process is finished, you will need to set up your iPhone again. When you reach the iPhone Lock to Owner screen, tap Unlock with Passcode, choose Use Device Passcode, and enter the previous 6-digit screen passcode to activate the device. Continue with the setup process, and once it is complete, you can sign in with a different Apple ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.